stopgap spending bill to try and avoid a government shutdown that would start at midnight if nothing is passed. It's part of an effort for lawmakers to buy extra time to negotiate a $900 billion coronavirus economic relief package. Even though the House has approved the funding, it's not guaranteed that the Senate will take up the bill by the midnight deadline. The relief package would provide more than $300 billion in aid to businesses and $300 a week bonuses to federal jobless benefits and a $600 direct payment to individuals. Our top local story: it won't be as cold as last night tonight, but it will still drop into the 30s. Action News Jax Chief Meteorologist Mike Burris